Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another exciting video with your boy Sanamo, and today, straight from our studios, we're going to be dealing with this particular problem, right? So you can see I tried loading a panel on Photoshop and it says the master retouch extension could not be loaded because it was not properly signed, right? So if you have this problem, most likely you are using the earlier versions of Photoshop. So say maybe around 2021, I think that was actually the first time I started encountering issues like this, but it actually became way more pronounced the moment panels became legacy features on Photoshop. So somewhere around like 2023. So if you want to actually get this fixed, you head over to your start menu and type in registry editor. So you have to be very, very careful with these steps. Okay. So once you open up your registry editor, you just give your computer a moment for it to boot up. Once that is open, we would go ahead. Okay, now you see mine is open, so you make sure you go to H key current user. All right, it's a drop down menu. Click on the arrow for it to drop down and then go to software drop down. Okay, now under software you locate the folder that says Adobe. Okay, I think that should be up, not C. So I'll just scroll back up. It says Adobe, so right there, Adobe, right? Now, if you have multiple versions of Photoshop, you would see CS, XS, and then different numbers. So what you're going to do is, depending on the versions of Photoshop you have, you're going to do this for every version, all right? So you just click the first one. So for my own computer here is a CSXS 10, right? The 10, right? So once you open that, you're going to make some adjustments here. From what I'm actually seeing here, you can see that there's the default, that's the name, type, and data columns, right? And then there's a default log level and player debug mode, right? Now what you would do is you need to right click on the open area and then click on new value, and then you type this out, player debug mode. However, on my own computer, this is already set on this particular version. This particular folder is already there. So but once you're done, if you don't have this, make sure you create that entry and click on enter. Okay, so for my own case, of course I can't do that because it already exists. Okay, so once you have that entry created, what you need to do is you double click on that and it brings up a prompt. It brings up a window, a small window. So we'll just go ahead and do that, right? So it says value data 1. Make sure the value data is 1. So you're going to repeat this process for as many folders that you have that carry the same name. That's CSXS 11. That's the next one. So you can see this one is not created. So new string value, and then I'm going to type player debug mode and then click on enter to create that entry. Then you go ahead to double click and set the value data to 1 and okay. So repeat the same process for all folders. Make sure you repeat for all folders, right? So I'll just go ahead and quickly do that. 1, okay. I'll create 2 more folders for me. So I just create, right click, new string value, and then I just create that, set the value data to 1. CSXS 9 is the final one for me. New string value, create the entry on the registry editor, player debug mode, open that, set the value to 1, value data to 1, and okay. Now this is already done, and this is pretty much all you need to do. Okay, so if you've done this correctly, you could just go ahead and close your registry editor, close your Photoshop, and reboot. Okay, so let me just go ahead and close. And then reopen Photoshop and try loading up your panel. And if you've done this correctly, of course, you would be successful and you'd see that the panel should load up hitch-free with no bugs, no problems, no holdbacks at this point. If you have any questions with this process, you can let me know in the comment section below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.